Welcome back to our channel. You've already read the title, now let's go. Number 1. Top 10 Countdowns. Compiling interesting and entertaining top 10 lists on various topics. Using stock videos and images. Count down the most fascinating and jaw-dropping facts in any top 10 series. This is similar to what you may find on our channel. Just use a combination of web sources, such as OpenAI, Canva.com, and/or pictory.ai. Number 2. Virtual City Tours. Taking viewers on virtual tours of famous cities using Google Earth and stock footage. This channel would embark on a virtual journey through the bustling streets and iconic landmarks of the world's most vibrant cities. Focus on cities such as London, Los Angeles, Berlin, Rome, Madrid, and Rio de Janeiro, just to name a few. Number 3. Nature Soundscapes Compilation. Creating calming and immersive nature soundscapes by mixing royalty-free video and audio clips. Another possible compilation channel where you would carefully curate nature soundscapes. This type of channel could easily transport you into a blissful setting. Number 4. Historical Documentaries. Researching and presenting historical events using public domain footage and images. This channel would allow you to step back in time and meticulously unravel the untold stories and pivotal events in our world's history. And finally, number 5. Classic Movie Reviews. Reviewing classic films using clips from movie trailers and public domain scenes. These types of channels are few and far between. Most channels focus on newer types of films, and some even get barred from posting because of copyright strikes. Focusing on timeless classics may give you a better chance to stand out from the crowd. What do you think of that? Well, this is all for today. If you like what you've heard so far, please check back tomorrow for more. Also like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye for now.